Welcome back to Digitech Lifestyle. Today, we're going to be talking about Flare, a new decentralized network that aims to bridge the gap between the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, and the world of finance. Flare is built on top of the XRP Ledger, which gives it the ability to scale to millions of transactions per second and to process transactions at a very low cost. Flare also uses the Flare Time Series Oracle, FTSO, to provide decentralized access to real-world data, which is essential for many financial applications. Flare has a number of potential uses, including bringing smart contract functionality to traditional financial assets, such as fiat currencies and securities. Improving the efficiency of financial markets by reducing costs and increasing transparency. Creating new financial products and services that are not possible with traditional financial systems. Flare is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way that financial markets operate. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at what Flare is, how it works, and some of the potential use cases for this exciting new project. So stay tuned, and let's get started. Flare, a new era for financial markets. Flare is a decentralized network that aims to bridge the gap between the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, and the world of finance. It provides a way to bring smart contract functionality to traditional financial assets, such as fiat currencies and securities. Flare is built on top of the XRP Ledger, which gives it the ability to scale to millions of transactions per second and to process transactions at a very low cost. Flare has a number of potential uses, including bringing smart contract functionality to traditional financial assets. Flare can be used to create and deploy smart contracts that interact with traditional financial assets, such as fiat currencies and securities. This could enable new types of financial products and services, such as decentralized exchanges and asset management platforms. Improving the efficiency of financial markets. Flare can be used to improve the efficiency of financial markets by reducing costs and increasing transparency. For example, Flare can be used to automate the settlement of financial transactions and to provide real-time information on market prices. Creating new financial products and services. Flare can be used to create new financial products and services that are not possible with traditional financial systems. For example, Flare can be used to create decentralized lending and borrowing platforms and to develop new types of derivatives. Flare has a number of benefits over traditional financial systems, including decentralization. Flare is a decentralized network, which means that it is not controlled by any single entity. This makes it more secure and resistant to censorship. Transparency. Flare is a transparent network, which means that all transactions are publicly visible. This helps to build trust and confidence in the network. Efficiency. Flare is an efficient network, which means that it can process transactions quickly and at a low cost. Flare is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way that financial markets operate. Here are some examples of how Flare could be used to create new and innovative financial products and services. Decentralized exchanges. Flare could be used to create decentralized exchanges that allow users to trade traditional financial assets, such as stocks and bonds, without the need for a central intermediary. This could make trading more efficient and less expensive. Asset management platforms. Flare could be used to create asset management platforms that allow users to invest in a variety of traditional financial assets, such as mutual funds and ETFs, using smart contracts. This could make it easier for users to diversify their portfolios and to invest in assets that are not easily accessible through traditional channels. Lending and borrowing platforms. Flare could be used to create lending and borrowing platforms that allow users to lend and borrow traditional financial assets without the need for a central intermediary. This could make it easier for users to borrow money at lower interest rates and to lend money at higher interest rates. New types of derivatives. Flare could be used to develop new types of derivatives, such as decentralized options and futures contracts, on traditional financial assets. This could give users more flexibility in how they manage their risk and exposure to market movements. Flare is an exciting new project with the potential to have a major impact on the financial world. It is still under development, but it is already attracting a lot of attention from investors and developers alike. Flare has the potential to make financial markets more efficient, transparent, and accessible to everyone.
2024 than in 51 years. Interest expense will increase more between 2022 and 2024 than in the 51 years prior. And with about 30% of government debt that needs to be rolled over the next 12 months, this could become a big drag on the economy. Now, the second way it affects the economy is corporate borrowers. Corporate debt is similar to government debt in which it's not all due at the same time, adding to this lag effect. Now, most companies, sort of like the government, they spread out their debt so there's only a small amount that's actually maturing in the 1 year. So it can take time until the more expensive debt replaces the cheaper maturing debt.